You've probably heard about Pi Network, maybe from a friend, an online ad, or just passing mentions in the news. It's been generating quite a buzz in the cryptocurrency world and beyond. But what exactly is it? And why are so many people talking about it? By mid-2025, it's seemingly everywhere. From social media feeds to casual conversations, the Pi Network has woven itself into the digital landscape. Its rapid growth and ambitious goals have captured the attention of a global audience, making it a prominent topic in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. At its core, Pi is a cryptocurrency, but it's designed with a unique approach that sets it apart from many of its predecessors. It aims to be more than just another digital asset. It aspires to be a widely accessible and user-friendly form of digital money. Pi's central mission is aiming to make digital money accessible to anyone with a smartphone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial background. This inclusivity is a key differentiator as it seeks to democratize access to the world of cryptocurrency. Instead of complex mining processes that require specialized hardware, you just tap a button within the app once a day. It's a simple, low-barrier-to-entry method designed to encourage widespread participation. By doing so, you earn Pi coins, contributing to the network's growth and your own potential holdings. This daily interaction is designed to keep users engaged and invested in the Pi network's success. The ultimate goal? Build a global, community-driven digital economy from the ground up, where Pi can be used for transactions, services, and various other applications within its own ecosystem. It's a vision of a decentralized financial future powered by its users. Unlike Bitcoin, which required expensive hardware and lots of electricity, creating a significant barrier to entry for many, Pi takes a different approach. Pi uses the Energy Light Stellar Consensus Protocol, a more sustainable and efficient method for validating transactions and securing the network. That means no battery drain, no supercomputers, no need for specialized equipment or excessive energy consumption. It runs directly on just your phone, making it accessible to a global audience with minimal requirements. Pi is also a social experiment, a unique approach to cryptocurrency distribution that leverages social networks and community engagement. It aims to distribute currency to millions before it has a market price, fostering a sense of ownership and shared participation among its users. The result? Tens of millions of users or pioneers worldwide have joined the Pi network, creating a vast and diverse global community. Right now, Pi is in its enclosed mainnet phase, a period where the network is operational but with limited external connectivity. During this phase, Pi is usable within its ecosystem, allowing pioneers to experiment with transactions and applications within the Pi network. However, it's important to note that Pi is not yet tradable on exchanges, meaning it cannot be bought or sold on the open market. This slow rollout is intentional, a deliberate strategy to ensure the network's stability and long-term viability. The goal is to build real utility and avoid wild speculation, creating a sustainable foundation for the Pi network's future. The big question, the one on everyone's mind, when will Pi move to open Mainnet and become tradable, allowing users to exchange it freely on cryptocurrency exchanges? The answer depends on mass KYC verification, ensuring that all users are real people and compliant with regulatory requirements. It also hinges on a robust app ecosystem, a thriving marketplace of applications and services that utilize Pi as a form of payment. Ultimately, the vision is a currency backed by real people, a network built on trust and community participation. The aim is to foster real-world uses, practical applications that go beyond just hype and speculation, creating a tangible value for Pi. Millions are watching with bated breath, eager to see what the future holds for Pi. They are waiting for Pi's next move, anticipating the day when it transitions to open mainnet and unlocks its full potential. Let's dive into a comparison. We're going to explore what makes Pi network fundamentally different from Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency. It's easy to lump all digital currencies together, but understanding their core philosophies and technical designs reveals some crucial distinctions. Mining Bitcoin now takes warehouses filled with specialized computers, massive operations humming day and night. These aren't your average desktops, they're purpose-built machines designed to solve complex cryptographic puzzles. And all that computing power requires tons of electricity, leading to significant costs and environmental concerns, putting Bitcoin mining out of reach for most people. The barrier to entry is incredibly high, requiring substantial investment in both hardware and energy resources. Pi flips the script, offering a completely different approach to cryptocurrency mining and accessibility. With Pi, you mine on your phone, using almost no energy. It's designed to be lightweight and efficient, minimizing battery drain and data usage. This makes it accessible to anyone with a smartphone, regardless of their technical expertise or financial resources. Instead of proof of work, the energy-intensive algorithm used by Bitcoin, Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, a more sustainable and efficient method for validating transactions. This protocol relies on a network of trusted nodes to reach consensus, reducing the need for massive computational power. Pi relies on security circles, groups of trusted users who vouch for each other and validate transactions. These circles create a social layer of security, adding an extra level of trust to the network. It's a web of trust built on relationships and reputation, not a race for computing power and expensive hardware. This approach fosters a more inclusive and collaborative environment. Pi's distribution is also fundamentally different, aiming for a wider and more equitable reach. It's designed for everyone, not just early techies or those with the resources to invest in expensive mining equipment. The goal is to create a cryptocurrency that's accessible to the masses. Millions can earn Pi simply by participating in the network and validating transactions through the app. This approach makes ownership more decentralized from the start, preventing the concentration of wealth in the hands of a few early adopters. Bitcoin's value is largely driven by scarcity and speculation, leading to significant price volatility. Pi's focus is on building a real digital economy, fostering practical use cases and real-world applications. This includes apps, services, and daily use within the Pi ecosystem, creating a vibrant and functional marketplace. The long and closed Mainnet period is a deliberate strategy focused on building utility and a robust ecosystem, not just generating hype and speculative trading. Pi is a bet on community, real-world usefulness, and long-term value, not just artificial scarcity and speculative bubbles. It's about creating a currency people actually use in their daily lives, not just hold as a speculative asset. The underlying philosophy is key. It's to make crypto accessible to everyone, useful in everyday transactions, and designed with a human-centered approach. And that's what truly sets Pi apart from the crowded field of cryptocurrencies. It's not just another coin vying for attention in a saturated market. It's a new approach to digital money, one that prioritizes accessibility, utility, and community. And that's why so many people around the world are paying close attention to the Pi network and its potential. Pi's total supply is capped at 100 billion coins, never more. 80% goes to the community, 20% to the core team for development and growth. Of the community share, 65 billion Pi is for mining rewards, 10 billion for ecosystem development, and 5 billion for liquidity. The supply is released slowly, with mining rewards decreasing as more users join. Early adopters earn more, but there's plenty left for future users. The goal: predictable, transparent distribution for a global user base. No hidden tricks, just a clear plan for how Pi is managed. So, how do you mine Pi on your phone? It's not real mining. Your phone isn't crunching numbers. You just tap the app once a day to prove you're a real, active user. This daily check-in keeps bots out and rewards real people. Your mining rate drops as more people join, rewarding early adopters but keeping it fair. You can boost your rate by inviting trusted friends to your security circle. The more you contribute by building your team or using Pi apps, the more you earn. It's all about growing and securing the network, not burning energy. The system is simple, social, and designed for everyone. No technical skills needed, just participation. The halving mechanism ensures Pi gets scarcer over time. The result: a growing, engaged community. That's the real engine behind Pi's growth. There's a big difference between Pi's maximum supply and what's actually in circulation. Most Pi hasn't been mined yet. It's released slowly over years. Plus, you can't use your mined Pi until you pass KYC verification. Unverified or bot-mined Pi never makes it to the mainnet. It's recycled for real users. Only KYC-verified users can move their Pi to the mainnet wallet. This keeps the effective supply much lower than the total. It filters out fake accounts and rewards genuine participants. The system ensures real value is held by real people. A currency is only valuable if you can use it. Pi's ecosystem is growing. Developers are building real apps and services on the Pi platform. Events like Pi Fest have seen thousands of businesses worldwide accept Pi for goods and services. The Pi browser hosts dApps for everything from freelance work to social media, all powered by Pi. This creates a circular economy. Earn, spend, and re-earn Pi within the network. The focus is on real-world utility, not just speculation. The more useful apps and businesses join, the stronger Pi's value becomes. That's the foundation for Pi's future. Pi's vision is not just a fleeting idea, it's deeply rooted in the expertise and dedication of its founders, Stanford PhDs who bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the project. Their academic rigor and innovative thinking are the driving forces behind Pi Network's unique approach to cryptocurrency. At the helm is Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, alongside Dr. Chengdiao Fan. Together they form a formidable team, blending technical prowess with a deep understanding of human behavior and social dynamics. Kokalis is a blockchain expert, a true pioneer in the field. His deep understanding of distributed systems and cryptographic principles is the bedrock upon which Pi Network is built. He designed Pi's secure, mobile-friendly architecture, ensuring that it's accessible and user-friendly for everyone, regardless of their technical background. This mobile-first approach is a key differentiator for Pi. Fan specializes in social computing and human behavior, bringing a crucial perspective to the project. She is shaping Pi's focus on community and accessibility, ensuring that the network is not just technologically sound but also socially responsible and inclusive. Her insights are vital in fostering a thriving and engaged community. Their combined expertise blends technology and social science, creating a synergy that's rare in the world of cryptocurrency. They recognize that technology alone is not enough. It must be coupled with a deep understanding of human needs and motivations. The result? A project that's as much about people as it is about code. It's a testament to their vision of a cryptocurrency that's not just for tech enthusiasts but for everyone. Features like daily check-ins and security circles come from understanding how to build trust and scale a global network. These features are not just arbitrary additions, they are carefully designed to foster a sense of community and encourage responsible participation. They're not chasing hype. They're building for the long term, focusing on creating a sustainable and valuable ecosystem that will benefit its users for years to come. This long-term vision is what sets Pi Network apart from many other cryptocurrency projects. The founders' goal, a truly inclusive digital economy, where everyone has the opportunity to participate and benefit from the power of cryptocurrency. They envision a future where digital finance is accessible to all, regardless of their background or location. Their academic background gives Pi credibility and a unique approach, allowing them to tackle complex challenges with a rigorous and data-driven methodology. It's not just about making a better Bitcoin, it's about making crypto for everyone, breaking down the barriers to entry and creating a more equitable and accessible financial system. That's why Pi's design feels different. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and designed to appeal to a broad audience, not just tech-savvy individuals. The founders are playing the long game, carefully considering every decision and planning for the future, and millions are following their lead, joining the Pi Network community and contributing to its growth and success. This widespread adoption is a testament to the founders' vision and the potential of Pi Network to transform the digital economy. Pi's global reach is one of its biggest strengths. Mobile mining has made it popular in developing countries where traditional crypto is out of reach. Users in Asia, Africa, and Latin America are building local economies around Pi, even before it's tradable. Peer-to-peer bartering is common. People trade goods and services for Pi in social media groups and local markets. Events like Pi Fest saw businesses in over 150 countries accept Pi, from bakeries in Nepal to car washes in Korea. This isn't a top-down push, it's a grassroots movement. The more people use Pi, the more valuable it becomes. Pi's network effect could make cross-border payments and trade easier and cheaper. The global community is Pi's greatest asset. So why does Pi still matter in 2025? It's a radical experiment. Give a currency to millions first, then build the economy. Pi's focus on accessibility, community, and utility sets it apart from hype-driven projects. Mining is easy, ownership is widespread, and the ecosystem is growing. Real-world use, not speculation, is the goal. The transition to open Mainnet is the next big step. Pi has already changed how people think about crypto. In a world of fast hype, Pi's patient, people-first approach is what makes it worthwhile.